Now let's also learn what it takes to deal with a B2C. So I'm in the user service now. So we injected the ref service client, get users async. This is the graph API query for getting the user's profile. Get users. So we are getting all these details. Calling a graph API call, a B2C call. Get user by user ID. Users just the object ID. So GUID of the user ID. Get user by email ID. So we'll be passing the query parameter email with the user principal name equal to email ID. Return in the response. Error handling. Now creating the user, creating the user object, the details. Mobile number is also added. So we need to configure a few things. So post async call to create the user. Updating the user, patch. And deleting a user by ID. Delete async. Enabling the user, activating and deactivating. We're patching the user. Account enabled equal to true. Disable false. Getting the phone number, user IDs, query param, phone number. Get async, query parameter, and returning the response. Updating the phone number, likewise. Send the user object, patch async. Get groups async, users groups, return the groups, adding user to a group ID, directory objects we are going to pass to the user, group ID, sending the response, removing the user from the group, delete async from the group ID and the user ID. This custom attributes mapper. So we are mapping it to the user's TTO object. Great. Let's see the tenant service as well. Getting the tenant information. Organization. You're getting all the details. Get policies async of the tenant. Policies async. It's completely ADB2C policies. Or the user flows built-in policies. Great. All the user flows built-in policies. User flow ID and the display name. Get policy ID by ID from the tested framework, exactly that particular policy ID. Also from the B2C flows, try to get, if it is not, if it doesn't found the trusted framework policies, try as B2C user flow policies. Get verified domain async. So it lists all the domains, all the organizations, all the tenants configured. Let's see the application service. Get application async. All applications with the requested configuration. Based on the application ID, the client ID. Creating the application post async, application post async. Display name, description, redirect URLs. Is it going to be the public facing application or not? So you can configure whatever the details you want, URLs, right? Redirect URLs. Many things, whatever application attributes you can put all the list over here and just get a post method, map to DTOs and return the object. Updating the applications. And patch async. Deleting the application, delete async, creating secrets. It's interesting. Which application I need to create the secret? Okay, the end date, secret end date. So application dot add password, so it's going to get you the secret. Once this is successful, application created secret successfully, and you can retrieve the created secret key ID and return that in the response, and also the end date. ID and text, secret ID, secret, as well as the end date. Get application secret async. Yeah, you need to get a particular secret. Delete the particular secret. Automap. Wonderful. Thank you. See you in the next session.